Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2008 Lexus GX 470 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, we are on the ODO. If you're not, go ahead and click this button and go find it, just like that. Now there is a maintenance required light over here. When you reset it, that light is going to flash and it's going to turn off, and that should be it. Now go ahead and turn off your car and press and hold this button and turn your car back on without starting, and you should see that maintenance required flash, and when it turns off, you're done. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.